Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you guys with an update video, a very important security update. If you haven't seen what's been going on in the world or just in Telegram in general, there is a lot of hackers and scammers out there. And in this video, I'm going to educate you on how to prevent your likelihood of getting scammed and hacked. I'm also going to be transitioning over into a new Telegram private group where KYC is going to be required in order for you to participate in that group. Before I get started with today's video, I just want to let you guys know that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a random guy on YouTube. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell notification to be notified each and every time I drop some new content onto the channel. And with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. I want to, like I said, give the security update. It's going to be very, very important. I actually have my Telegram. Well, I'll share that in a second. Before I dive too deep into that, I want to let you guys know if you are not a part of Transact Card, y'all are missing the boat. October 1st, midnight Mountain Time is the very last day to participate on that. You know, I haven't been promoting too much on my channel here in the past, unless I think there is some actual life and value in it. And Transact Card, for those of you guys who didn't get a chance to see my original video, it is FDIC insured, just like any normal bank would be. It's also FTC regulated. It is available only for United States citizens at this time, but we are expanding into other countries once we launch officially in November. Also, a side note for those of you guys who are watching the video all the way through, I am going to be giving away $500 to 20 people a day. That's right. You heard me correct. I'm going to be giving away $500 to 20 people a day. Please keep your eye. You definitely want to hit the bell notification on that so that way you can enter for your chance to win. We're going to be doing that $500 a day giveaway for about 7 or 8 days straight, depending on what my numbers look like. So keep an eye out for that video. Next, we're going to hop right back into the Telegram. I'm going to share what my current Telegram looks like. If you guys are a part of this, this is the FX Superheroes Telegram group. I do have some different categories through here. I'm deleting this whole entire thing, so don't be involved in this if you already are involved. I am going to be deleting it here relatively soon. As you can see here, this is one of the main reasons why I've got all this. Whenever you see names with emojis like this, scam, okay? Scam. Don't engage with them. They're just here to message you, DM you on Telegram, and ask you to send them some money or crypto in one way or another. So just avoid these people at all possible lengths. All right. So this is me talking about that I'm going to create the new Telegram group. Most of my communication and conversations go in these subcategories, but I am going to be making a new group altogether. Now, the name of the new group, I think I pinned it at the top here. I did. So it's going to be called Vetted Superheroes. And the reasons why it's called Vetted Superheroes is because everyone is going to be vetted before they will be allowed entry into the group. Currently in the FX Superhero group, you're not able to type, but in this new Vetted Superheroes group, you will have the ability to chat. Anyone and everyone who is involved in a project with me currently will have access to this channel, which means we got to be partnered one way or another. If we're not, I'm sorry, I can't let you into the group. And it's just for the security and the protection of my community. I really do value my members, my subscribers, the people who do business with me. It means a lot. And I thank you guys for that. So that's why I'm creating this channel specifically for you guys to have open dialogue with each other, with myself. I'm even going through great lengths, and I have hired somebody to help me with the transition and with this $500 giveaway that we're going to be doing in the next week or two. So keep an eye out for that. This is going to be a really big deal. So with that being said, if you have questions on the $500 giveaway, hold off on those questions until the video gets released on the instructions on how we are going to be doing this. It's got to be in a neat, orderly fashion. We will have to have a phone conversation because I'm not just going to give it away to some random person online. So keep an eye out for that. If you are working with me or you're a partner with me on one of these projects, please shoot me a DM on Telegram to me specifically. And I'll ask you to, if I don't know you, of course, if I know you, like if you're family or something, that's a different story. But I will have to verify your identity. So either if that's just you standing with a picture of your ID, let me know and I can match that up in one way or another in one of the systems that we are partnered together with, then hey, that's fantastic. And you will be allowed entrance into the private Telegram group. Another main reason why I'm doing this is because there are so many people. I work a lot with some of the older generation, I guess you could say, and they don't want to be involved in Telegram because there's the possibility that they can get hacked or scammed, and they don't trust the space just in general. So this eliminates all that worry, knowing that they are in a safe space. I have set some rules. If those rules are broken, you will be booted immediately, expeditiously, kicked from the group, and never allowed entrance ever again. And we are going to keep an eye out for that. I know some other groups who have already, some other leaders who have implemented this strategy in their Telegram community. And it is nice, neat, concise, to the point. It's a very small knit group of people. And most everybody knows each other because of the way that we work and we operate. So my goal is to be able to transition into something like that. And I believe that's it as far as major updates that I have for you guys. Just keep an eye out on that video that I'll be dropping within the next week or two, talking about that $500 giveaway. This is great because it's coming right in time for Q4. And you know what happens in Q4? Holidays. And there's so many unexpected expenses that can come up in the last quarter of the year. So hopefully take some burden off of people. If you're not involved in Transact Card and you want to take advantage of this opportunity as our team is growing rapidly, expeditiously. So congratulations to those people who got started with me way back in June when I initially released a video. That should give you even more vote of confidence. I did release a video specifically on Transact, but I got hit with a compliance. And some people might view that as a negative, but I view it as a huge positive. I did have to take that video down, but that just shows that they are there to protect the house, to protect what they have built. There's integrity. It is FTC approved. It is FDIC insured. So we have a real home run. I am going to be in Las Vegas the 12th, 13th, and 14th of November for the official launch that they have. So if you're out in the Vegas area, be sure to hit me up and let's link up one way or another. That's it. That's all I have today for updates. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.